In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up in Todoist. Keeping a backup of your tasks and projects is an important habit, especially if you rely on Todoist every day for work, school, or personal planning. A backup gives you peace of mind, because if something goes wrong or you accidentally delete a project, you will have a copy you can restore from. Let's walk through the process step by step, starting right inside the Todoist app. Begin by opening Todoist on your computer in your web browser or desktop app. Once you're in, look toward the top left area of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials or a photo, depending on how you've set up your account. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with various account options. From this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click Settings. This will open a new window or panel where you can adjust different parts of your Todoist account, such as your account details, theme, notifications, and more. For backups, we're interested in the section dedicated specifically to saving copies of your data. Inside the settings window, look for the menu on the left side. Here you should see several categories, including one called Backup. Click on Backup. This is where Todoist lets you access or configure your backups, such as downloading a backup file of your projects and tasks. Now, depending on your current account plan, you might see a message letting you know that backups are only available on certain paid plans. If you see a prompt telling you to upgrade, that means your current subscription level does not include the backup feature. In that case, you'll need to upgrade your subscription first before you can use automatic or manual backups. To upgrade, follow the on-screen instructions to choose a paid plan that includes backups. Once your subscription is upgraded and active, return to the same settings area, click on Backup again, and you'll be able to view and download your backups. That's all there is to it. By opening your profile, going into settings, selecting backup, and upgrading your subscription if needed, you'll make sure your Todoist data is safely stored and